Hey guys, Steve here. Today I wanted to get on and make a video about how you can earn $20 for getting an education, right? It's amazing because there's a group, a free group, that newbies are actually earning money, earning daily commissions without selling. But first, let me break something down for you. We're affiliate marketers, okay? Affiliate marketers are not salesmen. You know, I'm not trying to sell you a car. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm not trying to convince you into buying anything. All we are presenters. In other words, we're promoters. Kind of like how DJ, my cousin was a DJ. He would throw block parties, pool parties, and stuff like that. What we do, he'd get the flyers. We put the flyers up in targeted areas. Now, just listen to the relation here. In targeted areas where people would see it, and that's it. We would leave and walk away. The people would see the flyers and they would either call him or just show up on that day, right? That's it. We didn't chase them down. Oh, please come to the party. No, we put the information out there. We promoted it. They came if they wanted to, right? But also we didn't just take those flyers and go put them in areas where the people ain't even interested in coming to our party, right? Now, relate that to affiliate marketing. You're a promoter. Why? You have an opportunity that's not your own, right? You have a product or a service or a tool that you didn't make. But all you're doing is, on social media, you may put posts in different groups, but you're not going to put posts in groups that have nothing to do with making money online, that have nothing to do with whatever organization you're in, right? You're going to target home-based business group, people making money online, people looking for these niche. You're not going to go to Texas University website or a Facebook group and start dropping your making money online opportunities. No, you're not. You're going to leave the suburbs alone and you're going to go to where the people want to make money at, right? So that's what affiliate marketers do. We're not salesmen. We're not going to chase you down. Well, I'm not anyway. I'm just going to present what it is, why I like it, and then you decide if you want it or not. So when you read this headline and it says daily commissions without selling, that's exactly what it is, because that's what affiliate marketing is. And so that leads me to the free Facebook group. Now, the free Facebook group is called the Traffic Dominators, and they are giving $20 to people who finish this boot camp. Now, I was a member of the Traffic Dominators, and I still am. I'm not saying was, I still am. I started in October, I believe, and the training is excellent. I went through it, and I did pick up some valuable skills that I use to this day. But like all affiliate marketing programs or affiliate marketers, you'll get an opportunity going, right? You put gas in it, and then that's flowing, and then you move to something else. Build that one up, you move something else, build that one up, and then you come back to the beginning and put more gas in that one, you know, and you go down. Like every couple of days, you promote this opportunity, then you promote this opportunity, then you promote this opportunity. That's kind of how my channel is. I got some of the basic opportunities over and over again because I just keep coming back to them because they work. And also I love free and also love 100% commission programs. So everything like that is centered in my pages, and also is built upon the platform that I create on my web pages with, which is the Power Lead system, as you see in the background. So all of that out of the way, I said all that to say this. This group offers training like a carrot stick, you know, like how you lead a horse somewhere with a carrot on a stick, right? So they're offering an incentive in order to get people to finish the training. And when they get done with the training, it's like the aha moment, like they just learned a whole bunch of new skills. Now they actually apply it, and they get certified to be a traffic dominator. So let's take a look at the group here so I can just show you right now. So basically this is the Traffic Dominators, and there's 78,000 members right now, and it's an excellent group. It's free to join. I'll leave a link in the description box below. You have to go through, the way it's set up is like you get pixeled, you get linked to someone, and that's how you earn commissions too, because the same methodology that you get in is the same thing that you get people in. It's free, but they get linked to you. So whenever they buy stuff, purchase stuff, anything, they buy the product. You don't ever have to buy anything, but if you sign up for different things, you can get commissions based on their actions, right? And you're not selling at all. You're just linked to them, which is affiliate marketing. Everybody gets cookied to somebody, right? So anyway, this is the group. I just want to show you the certificates that you get. Then I want to show you the back office. So here are just some people who got certificates for going through the training. And obviously you can see here's someone who made the $20, and this is from May, just by going through the free boot camp. Okay, so it's absolutely legit. You'll get $20 and you'll get education. So they're paying you to learn. And I have the philosophy behind that is most people come into the group, don't know what to do, or they start watching one video, then they give up, and then they start asking repetitive questions of, well, how do I make money online? Well, how about this? Let's incentivize the learning so that you don't have to ask that question. And if you do, we'll just say, well, you can make money online by completing the training. So Wayne was a genius for that. So I love that because that's going to get more people to come through, more people to take the training a little more serious because they're going to accidentally learn. You know what I'm saying? They're going to catch some nuggets and they're going to be like, oh, okay, yeah, I see that. I understand. And get $20 in the end. So those are certificates. So what I want to do now is I want to jump here. So I want to show you, I am a member. I'm ultimate level. I should have been higher, but I stopped my traffic flow from here. I got to restart it back up. The most I made so far is $564. And basically I made like that with one purchase. I made $400 off a traffic package somebody bought off of me. So I'm just being totally transparent. That's what happened right there. Somebody came in, bought traffic, and I was like, bam. Okay. So that's legit. So anyway, so this is my account. I just wanted to show you that I am a member and I'm keeping it real. So, but I haven't promoted in a while. Here's some of my stats. I still get leads, and I'll show you my team. I got a lead today, and I don't, it must have been from a video or something, but I got a lead on today, 5-4, and they came through. So it's totally legit. But let me show you the opportunity here. I just want to show you. Here's the boot camp. Let's go here. The boot camp. And basically, it's a series of videos. And again, you have to join the Facebook group. It's a city of videos. You have 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, that's 12. You got 15 videos that you go through. And at the end, you get a certificate and you get $20. And let me show you that. Because this video tells you exactly what you need to do. It's a 30-minute video that breaks everything down. And right here, it says the journey to become a traffic dominator, you'll get $20. And that's what this video kind of lets you know. But also in the back office, you have other things, awesome tools. You have the training, you have growth hacks, which is awesome because there's a program called Commission Loop that I highly advise you to sign up because it's a way that you can give away free stuff. You give away a free trial on a capture page builder plus a free trial on a get response. And all you do is drive traffic to that funnel, and the people who come through the funnel get the free trial of the TD pages, which builds pages, and they get the get response. And basically, you're building a downline of TD pages users, you get commissions, and get response users where you can get commissions from their monthly fees. So it's called a commission loop, but there's other things in there. But that's like you're giving away the free trials. People are signing up. They're generating commissions and then they stay in it. So now you have a residual monthly commission by giving away the free products. Now that's how free works. It's really not free because at the end you're gonna have to pay either pay money for traffic or time, to post everywhere, and then you're gonna end up defaulting back to paying for traffic because it doesn't pick up momentum as fast as you want it. And actually I have a traffic source called All-Star Solo Ad Service, which is my personal traffic company. Basically it's my business, and I'll leave a link in the description box below for that. High octave rates, 95% T1. So anyway, so then here you have that. You have a place where you can meet your team. You have Traffic Toolbox, which you have just different tools that you can get, that you can buy from your back office, and they're all tools that affiliate marketers need. So also remember that once you become a member of the OLSP group Traffic Dominators, anybody who comes into your back office and buys any of these things, you get commissions. So while you're promoting this link, people are coming in, taking the training. Wayne is giving seminar or webinars and teaching about different products, and people click the back office, they buy traffic, which you get commissions. They buy tools, which you get commissions. On the webinars, they have specials. They buy, you get commissions. That's how you do it without selling. Why? Because Wayne does all the webinars, the teachings, and everything, right? So this is a genius opportunity. I highly suggest it for a newbie to get into. And all I say is that you need to have patience, right? Because if it doesn't happen fast enough, people like to quit. And you know, that's just the reality of the situation. People quit because it doesn't happen fast enough for them. But this is a totally free way for you to get the training, earn $20, and like I said, the commission loop program, you get into that, you get the free TD Pages account for 14 days, you get the free trial of GetResponse, and you link them so you can start generating commissions. And if you're promoting it right and driving traffic to it, which you always should have a budget, you will start getting residuals in 30 days from people who have signed up. You know what I mean? So as soon as you start getting the 30, I think it's 33% commissions from GetResponse and stuff like that, that adds up fast, and that'll pay your monthly fee for your GetResponse and your monthly fee for the TD Pages. So, you know, that's a way to get started. And I highly suggest it for newbies. Now, I know I said that before with all kinds of programs on my channel. I highly suggest it for newbies. But the reality is 90%, and I won't go above 90. I would say 99, but that's, you know, if I say 99, somebody's going to say, no, this one don't work. 90% of online opportunities actually work. And it's all about the mindset and what the expectation of the person is who get into these opportunities. Now, I've seen quite a few opportunities that at the beginning of my whole online experience, I probably would have been like, not know what to do. But now I think that any opportunity I get in, I can probably make money on. I'm not even gonna say probably, I can make some money on because of the skill set and the mindset that I have learned just over the past 3 years. I understand a little bit more. I understand marketing a little bit better, and I understand the way you drive traffic is the key. You know, I understand paid traffic is a way to totally build up momentum and boost your business into another level. While you're learning, you drive traffic to your offer. While you're going to the trainings, you fill your funnel. You know, that's all it is. You slam traffic, right? Like Rob says. So anyway, there's some more products in the back office that you can also get into. Like I said, they buy traffic. There's other links in the back. The Comment Dominator is awesome and it's free, and there's a paid way that you can make money off of it. But here's the concept of Comment Dominator. So you put a post on your page, right? And you come into the back office, and what you do is you post your link, that your post, and you like or subscribe, or you like or comment on other people's posts that are listed in this back office, right? Right? So once you do that, now the people, like here's a sample. Here's posts that people posted, and all you do is come here and you start posting to there, you comment on them, and then those same people who come here, they go through the list and comment on your posts, and they get points, but it boosts your posts and makes it more public. Plays with the Facebook algorithm, right? Which is genius, another genius thing. But I highly recommend Traffic Dominators. I wish they wouldn't have got rid of the CPA network they had, but they ran into some issues because people were scammers. They try to rip people off, but I made money on that as well. But I love the Traffic Dominators, and I'm gonna have to go back to the beginning again. But anyway, that's all I got here. I highly suggest clicking the link below, checking out the Traffic Dominators, get your 20 and your free affiliate marketing training. Well, that's all I got. Like, share,